Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys the way a pregnant lady likes her collard green with smoked turkey. If you would like to see it, keep on watching and let's get started. To begin, I am going to start by washing my smoked turkey. Now, this is the way mine comes. Usually they come in a whole, like just the drumstick, but mine already pre-cut, which is better. It'll cook faster. Why not? It's better. Here it is. I am going to wash it. Give it a quick wash because people do touch the turkey. Yeah, so just give it a quick wash and then we'll move on to the next step. Now for this recipe, you can use smoked turkey, turkey neck, turkey wings, whatever part of the turkey that you like, all right? But for today's recipe, I'm using the drumstick. Now we're going to add about 5 cups of water in here to boil the turkey, okay? You need the turkey to be nice and tender, so we're going to boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's nice and tender. Now here is my collard green that I am going to clean from head to toe, okay? Here in the sink, I am filling it up with hot water. Well, warm, not fully hot. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the collard green and basically try to remove the stem of the collard green. Now you can use whatever method is faster for you, but this one right here is not faster for me. It'll take you a while. All right, just have patience, lots of patience. Now here is the water. Like I said, it's warm water, not fully hot, but it's like a little bit hot. Okay, just to remove any bugs, anything like that. Also, I added some distilled vinegar in there as well, and also I added some salt in the water as well. The salt will clean the leaf, tenderize it. Also, the vinegar will basically tenderize the collard greens. Okay, just add the salt. Also, I added the distilled vinegar. I don't know where that clip went. But make sure you add it in there because I did, and that's how you're going to tenderize your collard green. Now I am going to wash mine 2 times because it might not look dirty, but it's dirty. There's sand, bugs, lots of stuff in there, so make sure you clean it. As you can see, the water seems okay, but we're going to wash it again. All right, now for the second wash, you can see a little steam coming off the water because it was a little hot. As you guys can see, I fixed it a little bit. I like to use hot water for any type of greens, okay? And once you're done cleaning everything, we're going to chop it up. All right, now we're going to chop the collard greens up. Now you can use whatever method to just chop it. I mean, you're chopping it. Once it cooks down, it's just, you barely gonna see where you cut it. Okay, you can use whatever method, but what I am going to do is just stack them up on top of each other, then roll it like you're rolling, you know what, and then we're going to cut it. All right, just like that, like a cigar, guys. Just cutting it. You can cut it as small as you want or as big as you want. not too big though, because you do want it to cook faster. That's why we're trying to cut it small. Now I am basically going to repeat the process. Just roll it, then cut it. All right. Okay, once you're done, you should have something like this. All right, nice and clean and cut up into small little rolls. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, by now my turkey should be nice and tender. We're going to remove the turkey from the water. Be sure to reserve the water. Okay, we will be using the water later. Do not throw it away. Don't discard the water, save it. Now here I have the smoked turkey that I'm going to remove the tendon, the bones and stuff like that. The skin too. I don't like the skin, so remove most of the skin. That's just me. And yeah, make sure you shred them fairly small. I mean, I was working on this while it was hot. I think it's better if you let it cool down. I was in a rush. Okay, so let it cool down, then you can try to shred them. All right. Alright, once you're done, this is what you have. Moving on. In the same pot that I was using, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add in about 1/4 cup of chopped onion, which is basically a small onion, a whole small onion. We're going to cook it for about 30 seconds. You don't want to overcook it, just till it's transparent-ish. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, okay? Minced garlic, or you can use chopped garlic. Just stir it for a few seconds. I'll say 30 seconds. Then we're going to add in the smoked turkey. Now it's the perfect time to add the collard greens. Just add it in there. I mean, it looks a lot, but once it cooks, it reduces like twice the size. So if you're making a lot, just make sure you have a lot of collard greens. As you guys can see, I have the water that I used earlier from the smoked turkey. Just pour that in. Okay, like I told you guys, I'll give the collard green lots of flavor. And also I'll be using some chicken broth as well. Just pour the whole container in there. I believe it's 24 ounce or 32 ounces. I have to check. Just pour it in there just like so. And for the seasoning that I'll be using is 1 tablespoon of slap ya mama Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon pepper flakes. That I just showed you guys is some Maggi cube. You can use any chicken bouillon to give it flavor, or whatever other seasoning that you like. You can add it in there. Accent, whatever. Just pour it in there and let it simmer for about 1 hour. Once the 1 hour is up, this is what you have. I like mine to have less water, so I let it simmer for a little bit longer. And then this is basically the recipe. Of course, you can adjust the taste it to see if it's good to your liking. You can add more salt. No, I didn't add any salt. I didn't need any. Of course, you can use some if you do need salt. You can add some more seasoning in right now if you like. But yeah, that was the recipe, and let me tell you, this is so good. It's smoky, it's spicy, it's just perfect. I like it to my liking. I make it to my liking, okay? This is it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video for me if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on the next video.